Hey guys, Winwolf here, and today this is going crazy. Everyone's trying to break the ice. I don't think it's possible though. Sister is right here. We want to be her friend. Her name is Moonstar. Mine is I should have done Winter Wolf, but I did Lucky Little Arctic Dog. Can't really change it. So, this is just crazy. I don't even know if it's possible. I guess it doesn't give you membership anymore, but it gives you diamonds. I don't know. I had 1 diamond. It's working.
I think I can see your face.
Yeah, I just said I'm recording, not this pink and weird rhino. Are you here, Doopy?
Oh, I know Doopy.
So, yeah, just showing you this. Sorry if you keep hearing it like, or whatever.